Hey everybody, Jeffrey here, and I thought I'd give you a little update on my tomato plant that I have growing out on my back patio. I just got done running down to a friend of mine's house to give her a little bag of tomatoes. I should have took a picture of it, but actually I kind of forgot. So let me go back out there and show you what I have left. I'd say they did pretty good since I haven't grown this variety before, and I did plant them in a big 15-inch terracotta pot and not in the ground, so I'm sure that would have made a little bit of a difference. It was a good 2 weeks before I saw signs of a tomato each time it flowered, and every week was a surprise, not knowing if they were going to be small ones or big ones. I've gotten about 2 big ones and 2 or 3 little ones every week so far, so I'll see how it goes and decide if I'll plant them again next year or go back to the regular ones or do both. Happy planting, and I'll see you in the next one. Now grow.